Hi students, how are you? I hope all of you are great. Today, teacher is going to continue our lesson on problem solving of division. Before we start our lessons, let us see the keywords of division questions. Of, divided by, share, how many in each, distribute, equally, quotient, parts, separate, split. These are the keywords that will be used to problem solving of division questions. Let us see the first example. Kavya puts 15 oranges equally into 3 baskets. How many oranges are there in each basket? Students, when you look at the problem solving of division, first they will give you the total number of things. So here the total oranges that Kavya has is 15. So this is the first important point. Next important point is equally into 3 baskets. Equally means everybody will get the same amount of oranges. So Kavya puts 15 oranges equally into 3 baskets. So what is the keyword for this question, students? Equally. Correct. So when it comes equally, we should divide the question. Now let us see how to write the number sentence for this question. 15 divided by 3. Let us do the method to find the answer. 15 and 3. Students, what times 3 is 15, students? 5. Correct. 5 times 3 is 15. So now we must minus 15 minus 15 is 0. So what is the answer, students? Here, this is the answer. So the answer is 5. 15 divided by 3 is equals to 5. Do you understand, students? Next example is Suraya has 20 marbles. She shares the marbles with her 3 friends. How much do they get each? Important point here is 20 marbles. The 20 marble is the total marble that Suraya has. Now, she shares the marbles with how many friends, students? 3. So, she shares with 3 friends. But in this question, you must know that when comes shares, it will be including Suraya. She is not distributing, she is not giving, but here she just share. So we must plus with Suraya. Do you understand, students? 3 friends and Suraya. So how many of them? Yes, 4. So the number sentence will be like this. 20 divided by 4. Let us do the method to find the answer. What time 4 is 20, students? Yes. 5 times 4 is 20. Now we must minus these two numbers. So 20 minus 20 is 0. So the answer for 20 divided by 4 is 5. Very good. So each friend will get 5 marbles. Do you understand, students? Let's go and see the third example. Huan Mei distributes 36 stamps to her 6 students. How many that each student get? The total number of stamps here is 36. So this is the first point. The next point here is distribute to 6 students. Students, what is the key word here? Distribute. So distribute means we must divide the question. So the number sentence will be 36 divided by 6. Let us do the method to find the answer. 36 and 6. So what times 6 is 36 students? Yes, it is 6. 6 times 6 is 36. When we minus 36 minus 36, we will get 0. So the answer for 36 divided by 6 is 6. Do you understand, students? Next, let us learn how to create a story on problem solving of division. The first number sentence that we have here is 24 divided by 8 is equals to 3. This 24 is referred to the total number of things. So you may use any relevant words to create a problem. So for this question, teacher used apples, baskets, and equally. Equally is the key word of the problem solving of division. You must use any of the keyword to make sure the people can identify the division question. Now, let us see the story for this number sentence. Lada has 24 apples. She equally divided into 8 baskets. How many apples are there in each basket? The total number of apples for this question is 24. So equally is for the division, and they divided into 8 baskets. So the question will be, how many apples are there in each basket? Do you understand, students? Let's go and see the next example. 56 divided by 7 is equals to 8. When you create a story, you can use any relevant things to understand better. So for this question, teacher is using books, class, distributes, and also equally. This distributes and equally is the keywords for the problem solving of division questions. You can use one or two keywords for the problem solving question. So here is the story. Teacher Rosie distributes 56 books to 7 classes equally. How many books does a class receive? So here teacher Rosie has 56 books. She is distributing all the books to her 7 classes equally. Equally means all the classes will get the same amount of books. Do you understand, students? First, we must use the total number and the number of classes that she distribute it. Do you understand, students? I hope all of you understand today's lesson and try to do more revision on this topic. If you still don't understand this topic, please watch this video again and again for better understanding. Until then, meet you in our next lesson. Thank you.